Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. On the issue of content creation, Madam Speaker, these are people who are very poor, Madam Speaker. The Kenya Kwanza government campaigned on a platform of bottom-up. Did this bottom-up meaning stealing money from the bottom and feeding the up? Madam Speaker, the content creators, for them to earn a living, somebody must have viewership of around 3 million for this person to earn 10,000 Kenya shillings. Madam Speaker, is this really fair, Madam Speaker, to punish Kenyans? Because number one, the Kenya Kwanza government promised 1 million jobs within the first year. They never delivered. They're already punishing poor Kenyans. Number two, Madam Speaker, the same content creators who are getting jobs on their own are also being punished for creating jobs for themselves. Madam Speaker, if you must lie to people, then lie like a priest. How did a priest lie? Madam Speaker, a story is told of a priest who was crossing a border. When the priest was walking, Madam Speaker, they were supposed to go where they were going to be checked.
Honorable Babu Owino, we are not supposed to be debating. You should be either supporting the amendment. Yes. So please, this is not a debate. Yes. Proceed and wind up. Give him the mic. Can use the next one.
You know, Madam Speaker, what I'm going to say is in line to support the amendment by Honorable Oluoch. That is why I'm bringing it from far. I know some of us here might not understand what I'm trying to say. So if I finish that story, it is an appendage of my conclusion in supporting Honorable Oluoch's amendment, Madam Speaker.
So, thank you. Honorable Bensouda, and then we can move to put the question.
That is very unfair, Honorable Madam Speaker. Let me just finish my sub.
Okay.
I thought you had finished, Honorable Babu.
Madam Speaker, it is very unfair because I'm the only member that you are trying to cut short, Madam Speaker. Let me just finish it in support of the amendment. I said, Madam Speaker, if you must lie, you lie like a priest. A story is told of a priest who was going to cross a border to another country. Then this priest was accompanied by another lady. So the lady held something that she needed to declare before crossing the border. Then the lady decided to put this item into the priest's pocket. Reaching where they were supposed to declare, Madam Speaker, the security asked the priest, "What do you have to declare?" Then the priest said, "From my belt upwards, I have nothing to declare." Then the security officer asked the priest, "What about from your belt downwards?" Then the priest said, "From my belt downwards, I have something precious to ladies." So the question is, and he was let to pass.
Thank you, Honorable Babu. You have completed your... because you're debating again instead of talking about the amendments. Yes, thank you.